So hello everyone, today I'm going to show you on how to get Pokemon Go Spoofer in 2026 for iOS and Android. So as you guys can see, I have already downloaded this Spoofer, and you can see I can move my character anywhere I want by just staying at home. So let me just show you my settings real quick. And as you guys can see, every features in here, every toggles, I can use every variations in here, and it's really easy to get and very fun to use. So alright, so I'm just gonna click here, and let me just go back for now, and let me show you another cool thing about this spoofer. You can change your character speed. So for now I'm just gonna keep 200 and save it. And let me just show you my settings again real quick. So as you guys can see, you can use, let me just turn on joystick dynamic because I just turned it off mistakenly. So now you guys can see my character is moving way too faster than before. Now let me show you how to do it. Just go to your profile and click add friends. So let me just click it for now, and all you have to do is just your trainer code. So let me just copy, and now all you have to do is open your browser and go to the website called ispoofpogo.net. So as you guys can see, I am already in this website, and every details and everything about this website is in here: virtual joystick control, GPX root, and everything. So for now I'm just gonna go ahead and click inject spoof for now. And alright, so now all you have to do is paste the trainer code that is just copied, and you guys can select any platform that you are using: iOS, Android, PC. So for now I'm just gonna go ahead with iOS, and you guys can see it's processing right now. So alright, and also you guys can get full edition or a custom edition, because some people want custom edition. Every variations is in here. So for now I'm just gonna go ahead with full edition, and let me just continue with it, and you guys can see it's processing right now. And also I have been using this spoofer on my Android device also, and it's working perfectly fine, and it is very easy to get it, and I'm really having fun while using this spoofer. I can go anywhere I want by just staying at home. So as you guys can see, it's awaiting for verification, and finally we are ready to import. So you guys can see it's 100% prepared. So let me just go ahead and click I'm not a robot and verify myself. So alright, so as you guys can see, sometimes it fails, so you have to try it again. So let me just go ahead and click it again, and you guys can see it is verifying right now. And finally we are verified, and our import is successful. It's 100% complete and ready to use. So alright, I'm just gonna go back to my game and show you. So as you guys can see in my screen that I have joystick, and your joystick and everything will be available in your game, so you guys can go anywhere you want. So let me just show you settings real quick, and don't forget to use every features of this spoofer because it is very easy to use, and just have fun. So you guys can see joystick point and everything, so you guys can go anywhere you want by just staying at home. And also don't forget to use the speed because it is really fun to use. So I'm just gonna keep 200, and you guys can see my character is moving way too faster than before. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video.